Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is for J the King of Southside FX. All right, in today's video, guys, I want to be sharing you guys a very powerful strategy that you can use to milk, boom, and crash 300. Very easy, very powerful. You are sure to make up to $200-300 every day if you sit your ass down and put the work in, guys. This strategy is very easy. You just have to dedicate time. You just have to understand it. You just have to practice it and perfect it. All right, and then you can go on a milk, boom, 300, boom, crash 300. Very smooth, very easy. Make a lot of money for yourself, guys. 200-300 bucks is very certain. All right, every day if you sit your ass down. Of course you have to sit your ass down because it requires you sitting and looking at the chart, and of course waiting for conditions to be met, and then striking, guys. You catch a couple of candles and you leave the market, and you target another couple of candles, you catch them and you leave the market. All right, so stay glued to this video. Make sure you watch it to the end. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. All right, and turn on your notification bell. And again, guys, I want to warn you guys, I want to really put this out. Please, if you want to join my Telegram channel, follow the link on my videos, guys. Follow the link on the description of my post. All right, do not go searching on Telegram, because I've discovered a lot of guys are using my logo, my name, they're using Southside FX, the same thing. They're using it to scam people, guys. Be very careful out there, guys. I'll always drop the link to my free Telegram group on the description of these videos so you can see them and you join through them. Please, if you want to refer somebody, if you have been making profits from our signals and you want to refer a friend, please tell them to always come to YouTube, search for my channel and follow the links on the description of my channel, guys. Okay, make sure you are safe. Okay, make sure you are safe. I would never tell anybody to come invest money and expect ROI at the end of the day. All we do is just trade. We trade high probability signals. Sometimes it go wrong, but it rarely do go wrong. That's why people want to work with us. All right, that is why these people go out trying to use our name to steal from others, guys. Very careful out there, so yes, let's get back to the purpose of this video, guys. We want to see how to milk, boom, 300, crash 300 using a very powerful strategy. So let's get to it, guys. For the sake of this video, I'll be using boom 300. All right, okay, so you can see on my chart I have fractals, I have moving average. So I'm going to quickly show you guys the setting. All right, this video is basically for people who are using mobile devices. If you want me to show you the setup for your computer, you want to use this on your computer, you can hit me up. I'll be dropping my Telegram link on the my WhatsApp link on the description of this video, so you can chat me privately, and I'll show you the setup for your computer. All right, but for mobile devices, you don't someone asked if this works on mobile devices. Of course, yes. Okay, and this is it. You don't need to have any setup. Okay, I think that's where the person was getting it confused, like he didn't get the setup for mobile. So you don't need any setup. All right, you just need to use the default, and if you want to do anything, you can just increase the boldness or maybe change the colors to whatever color you want. But you can just change the pixels, so you can make it bolder. You can make it bold and just click done. All right, people who are using computer can reach out if you want the settings. I'll show you guys. All right, so you just click done, and the only indicator here that you'll be needing a setup is the moving average. You're going to have to add moving average. So for this strategy, period 45 works perfectly, and we are going to stick to that. Shift, you can leave it 0. Method, make sure it's exponential, guys. Make sure it's exponential. Okay, apply to close. This is the only indicator for this strategy that you are going to be needing this setup, right? So for the other one, for the fractals, you just use the default setting, right? Okay, so you have this setting now. We just click done and we are good. All right, so like I said, you need to sit your ass down. You need to sit down and actually follow this up. All right, look for a couple of candlesticks, take them and leave the market. All right, look for another opportunity. And how does that work, guys? All right, so basically we are going to be looking at our fractals as the support and resistance areas. Okay, you want to be looking at them as your support and resistance areas. Okay, you want to be looking at them as the support and resistance areas. So what you do is this. All right, so you don't want to trade blindly, first of all. Okay, you don't want to trade you don't want to just depend solely on your fractals, your indicators, I mean. So you need to first of all know the market direction. Price action is key, guys. I always tell you guys this. Price action is important. So we are going to do a bit of price action right now. We are going to want to see the direction of this market first of all, and you want to do this on a higher time frame. Price action will have you understand that the higher time frames are stronger than the lower ones, right? The higher time frames are more significant because they give you more powerful suggestion of the price movement and all of that, right? So you want to first of all go to a higher time frame, and I would love for us to use 4 hours time frame. I always use the 4 hours time frame, and you can see I already have my horizontal line placed here, which is pointing the market currently to the downside. You can see that price is pushing to the downside, creating these lows. You can see the series of lows here. Permit me to use this. I'm going to be using this, so you can see price pushing up and dropping down. All right, you can see all of this. You can see price creating higher lows and higher highs and all of that. So it's clear that the trend, the market direction is downwards. All right, it's clear that the market direction is downwards. All right, now we have price coming close to our resistance around here, and you can also see we have the fractal around that area also. Okay, so now the market direction is downwards, right? It is a downtrend currently. Forget the fact that we are trading boom. We are supposed to be buying to catch spikes and all of that. Now I want to show you guys how to make 200-300 bucks off the market without stress, guys. So clearly we see the market on a downtrend, guys. Just listen to this, guys. Make sure you listen carefully and understand how this works. Okay, I'm going to have to clear this now. So you have it at the back of your mind that the market direction is downwards. Okay, so you know the direction already, which is very key, guys. So using fractals as support and resistance, all right, you want to go to the 5 minutes time frame, and you want to see price break your lower fractal. This is it. Like, look at this area, guys. All right, now price comes to this area. If I may, I would okay, let me do this. I'll put my horizontal line here. All right, now price comes down all the way from the swing high here. All right, drops to this level and then breaks this fractal, the lower swing low that the fractal indicates here. All right, it breaks it, and what do you see is the move to the downside. It moves to where you see the next fractal. Okay, so what do you do at this point? You want to just catch a couple of candlesticks, guys. Whenever price breaks, this is very simple, guys. Whenever price breaks your fractal below, all right, the low point, all right, whenever it breaks the low point, you can see the next move. I'm going to show you guys more of this. All right, so look at this area, guys. So price comes, breaks this area. Permit me to put the horizontal line here. All right, so price breaks this our lower fractal here. It breaks our lower fractal here and then pushes downwards. All right, you can see how many candlesticks just before it started buying again from this area. So I'll keep showing you guys more of this, so you don't think this is a joke. This happens almost all the time, guys. Almost all the time. This is another one. This is another clear area where price breaks the fractal. If I must put this, allow me to put this right now. Okay, so this is it. You can see where I placed my horizontal line at that point. You can see that there is a reversal around that area here and here. All right, if you keep backtesting, you see more reversal around that area. This is it. This is another one here. All right, so price comes, breaks through the moving average. Price breaks the moving average. We test it. All right, and then still pushes downwards and even breaks the fractal here, guys. It breaks the fractal here and then closes below that fractal. All right, see how many candlesticks you have pushing downwards, guys. Have you seen? Can count. This is like 5. This is a 5 minutes time frame. Of course, this strategy works perfectly on 5 minutes time frame. All right, because you want to know when to leave the market, right? Just want to know when to leave the market, so it can be easy for you to calculate this. So I urge you always look at the 5 minutes time frame when using this strategy, right? Doesn't mean it will not work on lower time frames or even up to 15 minutes time frame. But then again, you just want to know how to catch a couple of candlesticks and leave the market, right? You want to keep counts, right? So on this time frame, each candlestick is formed on 5 minutes. All right, it's formed every 5 minutes. I mean, on this time frame, each candlestick is formed every 5 minutes. So in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, in 40 minutes, guys, before the little spike that happened around here, in 40 minutes you can make a couple of bucks for yourself. You can change your life using this strategy, guys. All right, now when you enter the trade, whenever price breaks your lower fractal here, closes below it, and then you enter a trade, you want to look at leaving the market where you find the next fractal. So this is where I would leave the market to be on the safe side. This area here is where I would want to leave the market. That means I'll be catching just a couple of candlesticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I'll catch 4 candlesticks. Then in 20 minutes, guys, I can make a lot of profit. I'll make a lot of profit for myself, guys. So this works almost all the time. I'm going to take this off. This works almost all the time, and this is exactly how you use it on Boom 300. Just the same method. All right, just the same method. You don't have to stress. This is another example, guys. This is another example. You can see price breaking this area, all right, and still even breaks the next one that is very close. All right, and then you can see how many candlesticks to the downside, guys. All right, so this is how you use your fractals on your mobile phone to milk Boom 300, Crash 300. Practice this. Make sure it works for you. Don't trade blindly, guys. Always go to the 4 hours time frame first. You can check the daily time frame. You can check the 4 hours time frame to see the direction of the market before you enter, before you make any decision. Of course, you want to be very careful, so you want to also calculate your risk. I'll be dropping a video on how to use pips calculator to calculate your risk on indices. So you don't want to trade without proper risk management. Okay, you don't want to trade without proper risk management. Sometimes your analysis might fail you, and you just want to depend on risk management to stay profitable in the market. All right, so watch out for that video. I'll be dropping it soon. That's on demand. Someone asked and I'm going to do it. And if you need me to do anything at all, you want clarifications on anything, want me to make a video and talk about it, just hit me up, comment below. All right, chat me directly. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number on the description on this video. I'll also be dropping our Telegram link so you can join us and see how we are trading and making profit every day on our platform. Remember, guys, use my link on my YouTube to join our Telegram. All right, a lot of persons out there trying to ruin what we've built so far, but I trust you guys. You guys trust me a lot, and you guys are giving me all of this trust all this well. So I'm going to be doing more of good strategies for you guys to make money. We want to make money together, guys. We want to stay together and milk the market together. All right, so peace, guys. See you guys on another video.